So, if ever, no, kukunin natin using our equation, 2j minus r, how many members meron tayo? Meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we assume this one is member. So that is 10. Okay? 10 is equal to 2 joints. Ilang joints? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So that is 7. Okay? How many reactions? So, we assume na this one is fixed. So, meron kang 2 H for E and G, that is 4 reactions. And the result 2, 10 is 10. So, that is statically determinate. Okay? Next, D, E, D, F, and D, G yung hinahanap. Okay? So, by method of joints, sa subject natin per joints yung ating mga yung ating truss. Okay? So, we start either kukunin mo yung reactions or pwede ka mag-starts at any joints with 3/4 member. Okay? Or 3 members. So, as you can see at joint A, no, if dito tayo mag-start, that is okay, joint A, meron kang 1.8 kilonewton and then 1 point sorry, that is member AC. Okay, member AC and your member AB. Summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. AB is equal to 0. Okay, and then summation forces Y is equal to 0. Going up is positive. AC minus 1.8 kilonewton is equal to 0 and AC is equal to 1.8 kilonewton. Okay? Next is at joint C. Okay? Drawing ko ulit ng another free body diagram mo. So, at joint C, you have this free body diagram. Okay? Meron kang AC na that is tension. Okay? So, lagi nyo ilalagay kung ano yung assumption nyo. Okay? That is tension. So, this is your member AC. And then, you have member FC. Okay? Assume tension ulit. That is member FC. And then, your member DC. Okay? Now, ang problem is, ano yung angle nung member FC. So, as you can see dito sa figure, okay, meron siyang dimensions, which is 390 and then the 480. So, kung lalagyan natin to ng triangle, this one, yung 480 is at Y component niya and yung 390 is X component. So, this is 480 and then 390. Okay? So, pagdating dito sa ating free body diagram, pwede nating i-simplify yon. Okay? So, ano sa tingin nyo yung common, no, denominator ng 390 and 480? Okay, 13 and 16. So, ibig sabihin, no, yung 13 dyan is your X component. Okay? And then your 16 is your what? Y component. Okay? So, yeah, I think that's it, no? So, paano natin i-check kung correct? So, simply, ang square root ng 390 squared plus 480 squared is what? 618. Okay? Ang plus, 16 squared. 20.61. Okay? So, same lang yan, no, with the 390 and 480 if gagamitin natin. Okay? Yung kinuha ko is your hypotenuse. Okay? Summation forces y is equal to 0 going up is positive. Negative AC, okay, plus FC 16 over square root of 13 squared plus 16 squared, or yung nasa screen nyo. So, pwede natin tong i-shift store A. Alright. So, cancel out na lang natin. So, this one is store value A. Okay? Is equal to 0. So, FC is equal to AC times store value A over 16. Okay? So, FC is equal to what? So, 1.8 times store A over 16. Okay? That is 9 square root of 17 over 16. Kilonewton and tension. Okay? That is our FC. Next is our DC. Okay? So, member DC, summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. Negative DC minus 13 square root of 8, 13 over store value A times the value of FC is equal to 0. Okay? So, transpose, we have DC is equal to negative 13 store value A 9 square root of 17 over 16. DC is equal to, okay, so yung answer natin, no, 9 over 17 times negative 13 over alpha A. So that is negative 1.4625 kilonewton, and that is your tension. Okay? So, next is pwede kang mag-moment, no? Pwede ka na mag-moment dito sa D. Okay, pwede tayo mag-joint D pala, sorry. Pwede tayo mag-joint D or pwede tayo mag-joint F to get the DF. Pag nag-joint F tayo, no? Okay, pag nag-joint F tayo, makukuha lang natin is your DF. Okay? Pag nag-joint D tayo, no, meron tayong DC. This one, meron na tayong DC. Wala tayong GD kasi that is isa sa hinahanap, yung DF and then DE. Pero meron tayong BD. Okay, so tatlong unknown, hindi tayo pwede mag-joint D, so let's go with the joint F. Okay. So at joint F, okay, we have 3/4 member ulit. Okay, this one is the diagram. Joint F. Okay, so joint F we have FC, that is tension. And then DF, okay, DF, and then the FG. Okay, hindi pala siya straight line. Yan. So this is our FG. Okay? For the angles, no, meron tayong 480 and 390. So that is 16/13. So same. So this one is your 16, ito is your 13. Para sa DF, no, as you can see, ito yung DF natin. So meron siyang 480 and 290 naman. Okay? So 290 and then over 480. So meron kang 29 and then 48. So ang 48 mo is this one, 29 is this one. Okay? Next is your FG. Okay, sa FG, meron kang triangle, this one. So meron kang 150 for the Y and then 300 plus 290. Okay? So that is 300 plus 290 over 150 for the Y. So that is 59 over 15. Okay. So this is 59 and then this one is 15. Okay, so with that, no, makukuha na natin yung ating mga forces. Okay? So summation forces Y is equal to 0. Going up is positive. Meron akong, okay, this one is store value A. Kuhain natin yung ibang triangle naman, no? Square root of 29 squared plus 48 squared. That is 56. And then shift store B natin. Okay? That is shift store. And then last is 15 squared plus 59 squared. Okay? Shift store C. Right. So that is shift store C. Okay? Going back to summation forces Y is equal to 0. Going up is positive. We have, no, FC, negative FC. 16 over A. Tama? And then negative 48 over store B. That is your DF. And then positive 15 over C. FG is equal to 0. Okay? That is your equation 1. Okay? Summation forces X. Right? Dito na lang. Summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. We have negative 59 over C FG. Negative 29 over B DF. And then positive 13 over A FC is equal to 0. Okay? So meron tayong two unknowns. Pwede nating equate yung isa sa isa. Okay? So FG na lang, no? So transpose natin to, this one and also this one. And FG, okay, is equal to, that is negative store C 59 and then the value of FC, okay, and then the DF. Okay, so this will be positive 29 over B DF minus 13 over A and then the value of FC 9 square root of 17 over 16 kilonewton. Okay? Okay? Now is equate natin yung FG, no, yung equation ng FG to this one. So that is Negative FC is what? We have value of FC 9 square root of 17 now over 16. So negative 9 square root of 17 over 16 multiplied by 16 over store A minus 48 store B DF plus 15 over store C, and then the value of equation of FG. Okay? Kinapi paste ko na lang. Alright. Okay? Ayan, di siya kasha. Let me resize. Alright. Okay? So, that is our equation. Okay? I-resize ko lang din to. Alright. And then this one. Okay? So that is our equation is equal to 0. So, yeah, pwede mong mag-FOIL method, no, isa-isa. What we can do is pwede nating isolve muna to. Tama? Okay? So that is negative 19 negative 9 square root of 17 over 16 times what? 16 over alpha A. That is negative 9.5. So negative 9 over 5. Okay? And then retain, that is 48 store B DF, and then plus. Okay? What we can do is this one. Tama? Pwede natin pagsamahin. So that is what? Maka-cancel yung C. Okay? And then magiging negative. So that is negative 15 over 59. And then 29 store B DF minus, tama? Minus 13A 9 square root of 17 over 16 kilonewton. Okay? So next is FOIL method, this one. Tama? So that is 15 over 59 times 29 over store B. Okay? So that is, yeah, pwede nating isulat na lang 15 over 59, 29 store B. Okay? And then DF. This one, negative. No, negative times negative, that is positive. And then, pwede na lang natin din also isulat. So that is 15 over 59, 13 over A, 9 square root of 17 over 16 kilonewton. Okay? And negative 9 over 5 and 48 over B DF. Okay? So, what we can do is pagsamahin na natin yung mga unknown variable, which is this one. No, will result to this is equal to 0. That will result to what? Okay, click natin, that is negative 48 over alpha b minus, okay, negative 15 times 29 over 59 times alpha b. Okay? So that is negative 0.9873856,199 df. Okay? And then these values to negative 9.5. Negative 9 over 5 plus, okay, 9 over 5 pala, sorry, 15 over 59, okay, times a, and then times 16. Sa taas, 15 times 13 times 9 square root of 17. Okay, that is negative 1.4281777966 kilonewton is equal to 0. Transpose sa kabilang side. Okay, so df is equal to, okay, so kung tinranspose natin to sa kabilang side, that is times negative 1 para maging positive, and then answer over, okay, over what? Yung negative 0.987356199. Okay? 738. Okay? 738. 9873856,199. And that is negative 1.446423,704. Okay? Kilo Newton tension. Okay? Yung DF is, isa sa hinahanap. Okay? So, DF. Next is, what? After getting the DF, no, makukuha mo na yung FG. However, due to time constraint, pwede nating hindi kunin yan. Pwede na tayong dumiretso dito sa ating member D. Okay? Sa ating joint D. No, kasi DF lang naman yung kailangan natin. At joint D, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is 5. Okay. Okay. And then we have DC na tension, okay? And then we have DF na tension. And then we have DG, and then the DE, and also assume tension na DB. Okay? So dito we have what? DG, DF, DC, DE, and DB. So meron na tayong DF. DC meron tayo. DB from what? Joint B. Okay? So kung magjo-joint B tayo, we have summation forces. Okay, drawing na lang natin. Okay. So dito na lang. Okay, at joint B, what we have there is the 1.8 kilonewton. Okay, ano pa? The AB. Okay, and then meron ka ditong BE, and then your what? DB. Okay, as you can see, ayan. So member B, meron kang AB, 1.8. Okay, this is AB, 1.8, BE, and then ito yung kailangan natin, which is BD. Okay? This one is BD. By summation forces X, no, is equal to 0, going right is positive. And AB is 0, therefore BE is equal to 0. And summation forces Y is equal to 0, going up is positive. BD is equal to 1.8 kilonewton. Okay? So we have DB or BD dito. No, this one is 1.8 kilonewton. Okay? By summation forces Y, makukuha na natin yung DG. No, kailangan lang muna natin kunin yung angle niya. Yung sa DF, we know na 48, 29, and store B. Okay, so this one is 48, 29, store B. Sa DG, no? Tingnan natin yung figure. This one is your DG, this triangle. So that is 300 and then 150, 480. Okay, 150 plus 480 for the DG. Okay, so sa screen nyo, that is 300 over 150 plus 480. Correct? Let me check ulit. Ayan. 480 and 150. So that is 10 and 21. Okay? So ano yung 10 dyan? So 10 is this one and then 21. So 10 squared plus 21 squared. Okay, that is square root of 541 na lang. Square root of 541. Okay? So, summation forces X, no, makukuha na natin yan. Y pala. Is equal to 0, going up is positive. So, negative dB, positive 21 over square root of 541 dg, positive 48 over store B df is equal to 0. Correct? Transpose, yung dg natin, and then this your df, and will result to dg is equal to square root of 54121 plus 1.8 kilonewton, and then negative, okay, negative 48 over B, the value of df. So that is negative 1.4. Negative 1.4 464 23704 kilonewton. Okay? So dg is equal to square root of 541 over 21 times positive 1.8 minus negative 1.4464, okay, 23704. 1.4464 23704. Okay, that is 4.35. That is 4.35 401 4491 kilonewton tension. Okay, next is at summation forces X. Summation forces X is equal to 0. Going right is positive. Now we have negative DE, positive DC, And then, negative 10 square root of 541 dg plus 29 over store B df is equal to 0. Okay? So, DE yung hinahanap. Transpose lang natin to sa other side of the equation. And DE is equal to DC. Okay? What is the value of our DC? Negative 1 point. That is our DG. So, DC is negative 1.4625. Okay? Minus, okay, minus daw. That is 10 over square root of 541 times the value of DG, which is your answer kanina. Okay? Plus, okay, 29 times the value of DF, negative 1.446423704 over store B. Okay, that is negative 4.082405362 kilonewton tension. Okay, so that is your answer for method of joints ng design truss natin.